Hello friends, hope all of you are doing great. I am Mamta Nagrat. I make videos on international programs in bachelor's, master's and PhD programs taught in English in the German-based universities. Today's program is about Master of Science with tracks in accounting, quantitative economics, quantitative finance, and quantitative marketing being conducted by Goethe University, Frankfurt, Germany. This is an English taught program and it is exclusively taught in English. This program is of four semester. Applicants will be reviewed in 3 stages with the following deadlines: 31st January, 31st March, and 31st May. Particularly strong candidates from the first 2 pools of applications will receive a positive admissions decision in a period of 4 to 6 weeks after the stage deadline. Other applicants from this pool will be reconsidered in stage 3. Applicants from the third pool will learn about the positive admissions decision around the first week of July. All applicants will be duly informed once the admission process has been completed. GSEFM strongly encourages candidates to apply in stage 1 or stage 2 to have significant time for visa applications and other arrangements. Tuition fee per semester in euro is none. The combined master's degree with PhD program is yes, and joint degree or double degree program no. Description/content. The research-oriented master's program in accounting, quantitative economics, quantitative finance, and quantitative marketing, collectively called MSQ program, is unique in that first-year students participate in the same set of analytical, rigorous, and quantitatively oriented courses in economics, finance, and marketing that are taken by the first-year PhD students. At the end of first year, PhD students undergo qualifying examinations that can also be completed by MSQ students who want to transition to the PhD program. MSQ students who do not opt for PhD program at the end of their first year can enroll in courses with an emphasis on policy issues and or on issues of implementation. Students may earn both a MSQ and a PhD degree in total of 4 years. GSEFM graduates holding a master's degree will be in a strong position to serve as analytical expert in international institutions, government or the private sectors. Placement of MSQ and PhD graduates include Cambridge University, Columbia University, INSEAD, New York University, Oxford University, University of Amsterdam, Xiamen University, International Monetary Fund, European Central Bank, Deutsche Bundesbank, Federal Reserve Systems, Bank of Korea, Hong Kong Monetary Authority, BlackRock, and Deutsche Bank. So guys, this is the level of this course which can be done in 4 semesters that will assign you a master's degree, or you can do a PhD program which can be of 4 years. The course details is: in the first year of the program, students have the choice between the following 3 tracks: accounting, economics, finance, marketing. So guys, in the accounting, in this track, students attend courses in accounting, economics, microeconomics, and mathematical methods. In economics, like that, they have given details on the website. The link of the same I will give so that you can go in deeper details from the daad.de website directly. In the second year, students who focus on research will need to complete PhD level field courses in 2 to 3 fields of their choices. The fields offered are microeconomics and management, macroeconomics, econometrics, finance, marketing and development, and international economics. They must pick up the first field according to their MSQ track. Students can also choose from more application-related courses of the same field. During their second year, all students, irrespective of the chosen track, will also need to enroll in one seminar. So guys, as far as the content of the course is concerned, it is better I will give you the link of the same in the description box. When it comes to the cost or funding, the cost tuition fee per semester is none, and semester contribution, Goethe University charges an administration fee of approximately €370 per semester, and that those €370 per semester will include a public transport and free entrance to museums, and you can travel in the entire city free of cost. The cost of living approximately is €1,000, which includes your rental, your living expenses, your food, your internet expenses, and your medical insurance, everything. The funding opportunities within the universities are yes, and when it comes to multiple funding opportunities are available, including the Deutschland stipendium. Now comes the most important part, that how will you take admission to this course. A bachelor's or master's degree is required. For detailed information about the requirements, I will give you the university website link on my description box. The language requirements is you need to have a TOEFL or a IELTS score, band score of 7, or you should be able to prove that you have done your bachelor's in English language. The applications will be reviewed, as I said, in 3 stages. That is, 31st January is pool 1, stage 1, stage 2 is 31st March, and stage 3 is 31st May. Apart from this, there are services available for students who want to join the university. There is an accommodation, the services available. There is a support program for international students in terms of their relocation with their, even if they are coming with their families, they have a relocation support, like they will help you in obtaining a visa and all. They will guide you. When it comes to the job opportunities, MSQ students are eligible to apply for student assistant positions at the GSEFM faculties. Some faculty members are considered first-year students for teaching/research assistant positions that may require the ability to teach in German. Job opportunities extend beyond the university. 44,000 companies and organizations based in Frankfurt have approximately 450,000 employees in their payroll. Furthermore, 350 banks, including the European Central Bank, 150 foreign banks, and the 4th largest stock exchange in the world are based in this Frankfurt city. So guys, this is a very good opportunity as far as the finding a course is concerned, for those who have interest in finance or economics, or those who have their students who are able to satisfy the requirements as per the university guidelines. I will give you the details of the university website, the requirements, and the course detail, the university website link, everything I will provide in the description box. In case you have any further question, do write in the comment box so that I can research upon it and can help you in giving you the suitable answer. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time. Do like and subscribe if you find my content helpful. Thank you so much.